You can create map charts that help to show values over different regions geographically. For example, if we had this data that related to these different states of Australia, we could show that on a map chart by selecting that data, going to Insert, and then choosing Maps. Then using this option, Filled Map. Now you'll have to have the names of the regions typed out correctly so that Excel can detect which regions you're referring to. And then you've got a chart that looks like this. So just in this example, I'm going to delete the title. And if we want to change how this looks, we just click on it, right click on it, and choose Format Data Series. Here you can change the map type, whether you want a Mercator, Miller, or Albers map. It'll just slightly change how it's shaped. And you can change if you want to show, this shows all of Australia, just with the blank regions are grayed out, or you can just show only the regions with data. And there's a couple different options there, and you can change your colors and things like that using these options. So for example, we might want to make it go from light yellow to dark gold.